Monday. Today hasn't really been like a typical Monday. I wanted to get up and go to the gym, but was too tired. So just got up not that long ago. I made myself a salted caramel protein smoothie this morning, and I made one for Tim too. And I made the boys breakfast. I've already had breakfast. I had some peanut butter toast. Yeah, I'm just getting my day started now. Sandy just went to a massage appointment, so she can't take the boys right now. So I'm just gonna get ready for my day, try to get some work done, get a couple new episodes of the vlog uploaded today. Just trying to get caught up. Like, I'm still editing July, so I want to get like all my July stuff up like before September. That's kind of like the goal, and then get a bunch of August stuff because I want to, you know, get back on track to like posting every week. I'm gonna stop talking now because that's all I have to say.
Happy items.
Okay, can you find the letter A? Do you see an A anywhere? Like,
is this A?
that's an H.
Where's A?
I'm looking for it. I actually don't see an A. No, oh, I do. Okay, it's still got like the, hang on. Still got the center in the middle.
Yeah, we don't need
Can you grab that?
Yeah.
There, that's an A.
For
See?
water.
Okay, you can put that in the garbage.
Drip, drip.
We're getting all ready for school next week. We're practicing our letters and numbers. Not tomorrow, next week. Just been working on the vlog a bunch. Had a little snack. These crackers. So good. Windy day. I'm in the grocery store now. I just finished up a bunch of editing. So,
Mommy!
yes, honey?
What are you?
I'm just in the bathroom.
Get in the bathroom.
What are you doing?
I'm getting my iPad.
Okay. There we go. Last day of having short hair for a while, because tomorrow I get my extensions put in. I'm gonna bring you along on the journey, obviously. But yeah, Tim's at Taekwondo with Quinn right now, so I'm gonna zip over to the grocery store quick, pick up some stuff for dinner.
White, orange, yellow. Okay, that's not fair. And this though. And I got beige. I got more fun. I got more. Why do you get plants?
Now who is that?
Green Ninja.
Now who?
Wow, we should have the solar. Nah. Not yet. It's almost there. I got away.
What are you waiting for, Coop?
This. This is all.
Back to your bed, sweetie.
Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. I'm at the gym. I didn't go yesterday, so today should probably be like back and biceps day with also like a little bit of shoulders. Yeah, this morning I gotta finish my pre-workout. My whole outfit, like my leggings and my shirt and stuff, is Alpha Elite. I haven't done like a haul of all the stuff I got. I figured you guys will just see what I'm wearing. Like, and like I find like filming and editing hauls like so like tedious. Like I don't know, I don't like it. So here's one of my first outfits. It's like, this is like a tee. It's basically just like a loose crop like tank. It's really nice. It's only about this long. Yeah. Today is the day where I get my extensions in. I'm going to bring my camera and I'm going to see if Lauren, that's the name of the girl who does my hair, I'm going to see if Lauren is open to me like filming a time lapse, because that would be really cool if I could show you guys that. It's like raining outside now. OMG. Great workout. Then I'm gonna go home, do breakfast, shower, all that kind of stuff. And then 12 o'clock is my hair appointment today. I'm so, oh my god, you guys, I can't wait. Boys are just having some breakfast. Tim's off to work. Sorry you're not feeling good today, hon.
Just tired.
Have a great session. Shortly after, I left for Oakville to go to my hair appointment. I am getting nano extensions, so she's putting all the beads in here. And yeah, I've just been so excited to get this done. Like, it was an investment, but so worth it. You'll see the results speak for themselves. Good for the vlog.
No, go ahead.
Lauren did so amazing. I feel like a different girl. Thank you so much.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
God. Dark queen. It's so freaking amazing. I can like, oh my god, so much better than clip-ins. You guys, I have never been so happy in my life. I can't believe it's in my hair. This is my hair. What the fuck? What the fuck? Also, I'm starving. I didn't have breakfast because I was so busy getting ready to come here. Guys, I've wanted long hair like my whole life. I've been buying like clip-in extensions like my whole like teenage years and adulthood. And now they're in my hair. I got like microbead or like nano or something. I don't know exactly. I think they're nano, I don't know. But they're like fused in my hair. And they're so tiny, like you can't even like see them. What the fuck? I'm so happy. Just got home. I'm gonna go in and get hubby's reaction to my hair. Hang on, I'm gonna put my ISO on auto. There we go. Okay, here we go.
Okay. Oh no, what? Shut the front door. Oh my god, you look like your Fortnite character. you look so hot, you look good.
Look at it.
Oh my god, it's so nice.
And I'll show you, like, you can see those are like the,
oh my
the
god.
beads. They're all throughout. And they just stand.
You look hot, hot, hot.
Hard to dream.
Hi. Do you want a bite of my cookie?
Can you get me some water?
You can have some of the. You can have some of this.
Sparkling water if you want.
Well, I don't need sparkling water.
Okay, I have water. So
Are you so happy that Daddy got your Ninja out of the drain?
I want to see.
I took my tools in your Ninja and I washed them really thoroughly with soap in the sink and hot water. And then I emptied the sink just to test it and see, make sure that the water didn't leak. I think it's nice and dry.
The rock drive it! Rock it! Somebody has to drive it!
Wow. You got some long hair, bud.
Mom, guess what I got today?
What?
My creeper backpack and my creeper water bottle.
It came already?
Yeah. It didn't come tomorrow. It came today.
Are you serious?
Look at
Yeah.
Mike's long hair.
You like?
Yeah.
Here, should I hop on in here?
No. Here, I'll show you. It's like teeny tiny, like little beads.
Can I see the bead?
Does it hurt?
No.
No.
It's done in like a really safe, like comfortable way.
Can I see the bead?
You wanna see?
Yeah.
Right there. It's a little bead. That's how
Can we
the
put
hair stays in my hair.
He had a big ball.
No.
I took the kids to IKEA for a little impromptu trip.
Get those up.
Daddy's favorite cookies.
Wow.
Don't worry, we'll get them. Okay, here we go. Gotta go through the showroom.
Mom, this side of Dad. This side. Wait a minute. Okay, can I go back to my
Yep.
ball?
Yep.
I'm actually going back to school next week, so I came to IKEA with the kids. We had a little dinner there, and I picked up a desk and a chair for me for school.
Did you guys have a fun trip to IKEA?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you like your fish and chips and your cookie?
What? Why is he running?
I don't know. Okay, I have a funny story. So I looked up this desk that I wanted online. It's really small. It's like the perfect size for upstairs, just a cute little desk with one drawer. And it said they had one in stock and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I just picked another desk that was like quite a bit bigger that like I wasn't really happy with, but you know, whatever, like I needed a desk and I'm here. I might as well just grab one.
Cool.
And
did you break my timer?
he did. We dropped there. I didn't know it was made of glass. We dropped. There was like a sand timer that. Well, don't worry, Quinn. We'll find you another timer. I'll get you one on Amazon that's plastic that won't break. Okay? But yeah, we dropped it in the aisle and it broke, and there was sand everywhere. But anyways, the desk that I wanted that I couldn't find as we were in line about to check out, I see it in like a random like area, like someone had like discarded it there and left it there. It was like just randomly right there in the exact aisle that we were checking out in. So that was perfect.
Mommy,
and
when we get home, I can
taking it
have
home.
one more cookie.
Maybe. I'm gonna turn the car on now because it's very hot and I'm gonna start the air conditioning. Are you guys very hot? Like I'm very hot?
Yeah.
Okay, let's cool off. So, successful trip. I got quite a few things, so.
Why is everyone leaving?
I love a good IKEA haul.
Why is everyone leaving?
The kids got a stuffy each. A tiger and a bunny.
Why are the kids leaving?
Some people are leaving, some people are coming. All right, gonna head home now. See you later. Got all my stuff here. I'm gonna start making a bin. There she is. So cute.
Carpet. I was
checking my email. And that's
Sushi
worse than watching
night.
porn. Much worse. And can't know I'm working on our special edit.
Brooklyn
I just
Nine-Nine.
received an email from my contact.
Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. I said to Tim this morning, I'm like, I could totally get used to waking up looking this good. It's because of my hair. I'm freaking obsessed. I'm not gonna stop talking about this probably for the rest of the vlog, so prepare to be very annoying. Anyways, I'm making breakfast right now. I'm gonna do over easy eggs for the kids. Tim wants a breakfast sandwich, and I'm also gonna make my fave protein pancakes. Yay. Breakfast for the boys, and Tim is ready, and I'm just gonna make some pancakes. I'm gonna take this out now because it's gonna get cold.
It's not Thursday.
And tomorrow is September 1st.
Yes.
It's a loop. I just got all dressed for the day. We're gonna go over to the mall. I've got a few things I gotta get from Sephora, and Quinn's gonna get a haircut, and so is Tim. So, get a good look at Quinn's hair because it's gonna be different when we get back. Okay, I ordered you guys a special surprise.
Can you open it, please?
First, we gotta wipe down the table so that it's nice and clean because we're gonna be playing with something really special. Hang on.
It must be pumpkin versus ice. I think it will be a rainbow toy.
What do you
Or
think?
I think it'll be fire versus ice.
Fire versus ice? What do you think?
No. I think it's a rainbow, or it'll be a rainbow toy, a fire one, or a green one.
Okay. Here is a very special surprise. You want to know what that is?
What's this thing?
It's a special slime. It's by this TikToker, Slimed
Can
by
I open
Grace.
this? How can I open this? Open this up for me.
Okay, hang on. Let me help.
Open the slime
Okay,
up.
just hang on. So Cooper got pumpkin spice chip, which, does that smell like pumpkin spice?
Yeah.
Does that
What
smell
does
yummy?
smell? It smells like yucky pumpkin.
And this one is apple pie filling, so they're like fall themed. Okay, don't wipe on your shirt.
Why is it?
It's slime.
Oh, let's get this slime out.
You can't eat it, buddy. You can't eat it.
How
It just smells good, but it's not edible.
Ugh.
Here, I'll help you take it out.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys do you wanna tell the vlog what just happened? We kind of had a little bit of a fail. So, do you wanna say what happened, Quinn?
Yeah.
Okay, what happened?
We just had a little sticky hand thing.
The slime is very sticky and we couldn't get it off of any of our hands. We had to go, oh, can you go turn off the water in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Thank you. We had to go in the bathtub and like scrub our hands. There's
this.
apparently like mix with 2 cups of hot water until stop. Knead droplets into the slime until you reach the desired consistency. So add the baggie of borax to 2 cups of warm water. Okay, this is gonna be like a science experiment, okay? We gotta fix the slime. Are you guys ready to fix the slime?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta go downstairs and we gotta get the 2 cup measuring cup. Do you wanna come with me?
Yeah, I want to come too. I want to come too.
Okay, let's all go down. Here we go.
One measuring cup. And now we need another measuring cup. Huh? Here's one.
Okay, here, we're gonna bring this bowl upstairs and we're gonna put the slime in the bowl and then we're gonna add, here, can you carry the bowl for me?
Yeah.
So I got my camera in this. Okay, let's go up and let's fix the slime.
And how are we going to get the slime on our hands to get the bowl in? Mommy, I got that one. How are we going to get the slime in our bowl?
Okay, you'll see. We'll fix it, don't worry.
We can't touch the slime.
Okay, don't touch the slime yet.
Some water. Got some water.
Okay, everybody. Now we gotta add this thing. Just let me open it. Just one
And
sec.
that too.
No, we don't have to add that.
Why?
Okay.
Is that for slime?
Okay, look out of the way. Okay, who wants to pour this in?
Me.
Okay, no. Into the water. The whole package. Did it all go in?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, hang on. You guys, you really need to just wait for mommy and not be so grabby, okay?
How are we gonna put this in the beer now?
Okay, we gotta get a spoon and we gotta mix this up really good.
Okay, I'll do it first.
Okay, very, very gentle. Mix,
Okay.
mix.
Okay, I'll do it all by myself now. Okay.
Very gentle.
Let's now pour it in the bowl.
Gotta mix it really good.
Mommy, can get my wet right there? I'm smashing it. It's a little wet.
Is it still a bit sticky?
Yeah.
Here, wait. Put it in your hand. Put it in your hand. And get it off your hands.
See? I think I got a toy.
It's not a toy. They're like chunks because it's supposed to look like apple pie, right?
Yeah.
That looks like apples.
No, it will look like a toy, but really, I wanted pumpkin spice. Hey!
You guys can swap. And
No, I don't want to swap.
Okay, well you
I
can
feel
take turns.
No.
Quinn,
I want to have the pumpkin spice. No, I want this pumpkin spice.
we'll take turns. It's Coop's turn with the pumpkin spice right now, okay?
I'm not hard.
I just heated up these
You want just like a little squeeze?
Greek bowls. Put a little bit of tzatziki on top. Say a little bit, literally like so much tzatziki. He's brushing his teeth.
He's all done. Look. It's my turn. Daddy, is it my turn?
Not yet, you have to wait for Quinn. You're excited to be up there, eh?
Yeah. These are nice. These are cool.
These are cool.
Yeah. I'm going to finish my...
Do you like it?
I love it, it's brilliant. It totally matches the decor of our house too.
Is it my turn now?
IKEA is like basically the decor of our house.
Is it my turn now? Try again. Stop cheating!
Love you, buddy.
Stop cheating! I'm all done now. I got a pizza.
Oh, that's gonna be warm water. Dump that out, get cold water.
Now. Can I have a Phantom of the Opera?
The Phantom of the Opera? Yes, you can! Whoa! Action Coop.
The kids are in bed, and now it's House of the Dragon time, snack time,
Just chilling.
mom and dad, little like date night time. Morning, guys. Happy Thursday. I don't know why, but I'm feeling like a bit off. I have a little bit of a headache this morning. I don't know. I'm just gonna make my pre-workout. If that'll help me feel better. I got this like graphic band tee yesterday. Went over to the mall because I had to get some stuff from Sephora yesterday, and yeah, I saw these in the window and I was like, I love that for the gym. So there we go, cute new pump cover. Oh my god, I do not feel my head. So we'll see how this workout goes. I might have to cut it short. Got out of the gym and did a lot better than I expected, actually. After my warm-up, I was like, should I leave now? Because I always do the stairs to warm up. I ended up doing 2 exercises, 4 sets of each, so I'm feeling really good about that. I'm also getting more confident, more used to bringing my main vlog camera like into the gym. Anyways, I gotta head home now. Tim's gotta work at 9, it's like 8:30. And I'm gonna make him coffee and take over hanging out with the kids. There you go.
I have the robot bee.
We're just out for a little morning walk. Willow, we stopped at the park. Now we're heading home. Editing. Kids are playing with their slime.
Humpty stop on the wall.
And
Humpty Dumpty have a great box.
I got a Southwest veggie wrap. It's got like eggs and beans and stuff. And a latte. And I got the kids a little sandwich, so they're chilling. It's a work from home day today. Alright, I just got a bunch of work done, got clean dress for Taekwondo, and we're got his belt right here. We're gonna head out now for his Taekwondo. I can't film there, so I'll see you guys later. Got back from Taekwondo a little bit ago. Just getting Tim a Coke Zero. Stopped at the grocery store on the way home, and I made Detroit style deep dish tomato herb pepperoni pizza. So I just cut it up. Oh my god, you guys, wait, just wait.
Oh my god, they dipped already.
Tim's playing some Fortnite, of course. I just got out of the shower. Oh my god, that shower was much needed. So this is my, oh hang on. The banding is always so bad. This was my first time washing my hair with my extensions. It went really well. I'm going to show you guys my little routine that I did. So I started, all this stuff is from Sephora, by the way. So I started with this Way hair mask just to like you know, do a mask first before I do shampoo. So put that in, left that in on my ends for like 10 minutes. Rinse it out. And then the next step I did was this Brio Geo Don't Despair Repair. It's like a super moisture shampoo. For all you girlies or whatever who care about hair care, if you're like me. And then after my shampoo, I conditioned. I used this Olaplex number 5, and then I used this Bond Intense moisture mask. It's an Olaplex number 8, so that's kind of like my 4-step in the shower. Now I'm gonna blow dry. So before I use heat on my hair, I'm using this Kerasta's thermic serum for sensitizer color treated hair. So I sprayed that. I'm spraying that on every layer. And then, oh my god, this is ridiculous. And then I'll do this Olaplex number 6. And I also usually, after like that Olaplex number 6, I'll finish with the bonding oil number 7 to add shine and softness. 20,000 steps later. Okay, I'm gonna do a time lapse of me blow drying my hair because I'm gonna do it like little section by section. It's gonna take a long time, so. Just finished up blow drying my hair and I'm gonna go on a walk now with Tim. So I'm gonna say goodnight now. Good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. What did you get? I bought that for you. I know you love those breakfast bars.
Yeah, and I even had one and I threw one in the garbage.
You throw the bar in the garbage or the wrapper in the garbage?
The wrapper.
Oh, okay. That's okay. Are you helping?
Yeah.
Okay, don't splash water everywhere. All clean.
Not all clean.
No, it's not all clean, you're right. Kids are having breakfast. They're watching Bluey. This is my, like, I don't know if I told you guys, but I got like a big Alpha Elite order. Okay, so this is, I just want to look up what it is so I can tell you. So amazing. I'm not wearing a bra right now. I don't like I like shirts where I don't have to wear a bra, and I feel like I don't have to wear one with this. This is the Amplify V-neck crop top in the color Whale Blue, and it's a size medium. And then I have the Amplify Whale Blue leggings as well. It's like a matching set. I'm obsessed with this color. Just having my coffee. I'm about to curl my hair. Just wanted to tell you guys that Alpha Elite, totally worth the hype. So flattering. literally so functional. Worth every penny. Love it.
We missed.
Okay, that's, you gotta finish doing this one. Now do the U next. And the I. You're gonna be such a smart boy. Did you hurt yourself with the Darth Vader mask?
Yeah, my neck.
Oh.
Yeah.
Last one. You're doing it
I know.
so good.
Could you stop talking for a little bit because I'm focusing?
Okay.
Wrong.
You got rewarded with some slime time.
Why?
Because you wrote your name. So good. You're amazing. Tim had a bunch of meetings this morning, so he's all finished now. I'm just making lunch. He's going to take the kids outside and swim so I can get some more work done. I got a little bit of work done, but not a lot, because it's a little bit difficult when, you know, hanging out with the kids. They require a lot of attention, so yeah. Just making pad thai. I made rice noodles, extra ones last week, so don't even have to make those, just toss her in. It's gonna be quick and easy. This is a super high protein pad thai, and today was a gym day, so got jumbo shrimp. The recipe is on Half-Baked Harvest. The recipe actually doesn't have tofu. I add that in for some extra protein. Just making the sauce now. I had to run upstairs and grab this maple syrup, and we're gonna keep going. We're just waiting for Daddy, but where are we going?
IKEA.
IKEA. Yeah, we gotta return something. I gotta return this thing.
Why do you gotta return that?
Because it's too big. It won't fit in our space.
Green light. You have to go, Dad. Green light.
It's red, dude.
It's red.
We just got back from IKEA. We did a return. Coop's just brushing his teeth. Quinn's already in bed. Tim and I ordered McDonald's. Little Friday night dinner treat, I don't know. And the plan for tomorrow is we're gonna go to the Paris Fair. And we're gonna go to the Demolition Derby, so super excited about that. Probably gonna spend the day there, have a slow morning, wake up and go. Yeah, that's our plan. So, good night, Coop.
I'm all done brushing my teeth.
Okay, you go it.
Goodbye.
Good morning, boys. Happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday. Mommy, it's right on the bell. That's on Saturday.
I don't work on Saturday.
That means you didn't hang out with me all morning.
All day. We've been having a bit of a slow morning. Just got ready not that long ago. I'm having my first pumpkin spice latte of the fall 2022 season. We got the kids a pumpkin spice steamer, so it's like a latte without any coffee, and they're loving it.
Hey, don't put your eye right up to that, dude. That's dangerous.
It's me, Boba Fett. Boba Fett. I just did I'm here to babysit. I'm here to babysit.
We're here.
We're here, Brad.
Going to sleep.
Oh, let him sleep. We still gotta park, sweetie.
You have to put it on
Oh, this one got first place.
Hey boys, let's go. Okay, here we go.
Is that fun, Mommy?
Yes. Going.
How am I supposed to do it?
Let's keep it. Okay, go. Woohoo! Oh, you got it. Woohoo!
Nice. How's that? Good?
That's okay. You can just eat the meat. That's the good part.
I somehow knew it.
Now we're just confused. Can you hold my hand, please?
I wonder where you guys are. And say I'm here for the thrills.
I hate you so much right now.
Remember those buns we got?
Remember those Nerf guns you got?
Naomi. For you. Only Magic Fingers can do it. Do you want a picture? Oh, now you know Magic Fingers. I ran back. Alright. See you next time. Whoa!
Did you guys have a good time at the fair? Did you love the fair?
Great work. Thanks for making
Wait, it's so much fun. All had a little nap in the car. And now we're gonna go in, have baths, and go to bed. Good night, guys. We're having some Sunday morning breakfast and watching. No, babe. Go sit down. Go sit down.
Look,
Yeah, we're watching Arthur's first day of school.
you didn't have it.
Okay, sit your butt down. You're gonna spill my food.
I'm going to get
There you go.
I ate it, yay!
You ate it. Way to go, Bubble.
I'm going to go snack.
You had tons of snacks.
The boys are
I ate it too.
playing the Paw Patrol game, and I am just getting a bunch of stuff around the house done. I just put a bunch of laundry away, Grabbed a bunch of clothes that I want to donate and put them in that basket. I organized our shoes in the closet. They look all like neat now. It's looking good in there. And now I'm just gonna put fresh sheets on the bed. I'm also filming a Sunday reset for TikTok. So just getting the house like looking all nice. So I've been doing a bunch of time lapsing of me doing different tasks. Yeah. So now I'm going to change the sheets on the bed, film that for TikTok, and yeah, just keep getting us all set up for success for the week.
Mommy, can you
We're
put on
doing some
bubble
coloring.
Can you put up bubble sets?
Leg?
Yeah. Because he's gonna be dead if he doesn't have a leg.
You're right. He wouldn't be dead, he would just not be able to walk. All right.
Mommy, I don't want to do this one. I want to do the doll.
You want to help me with the dolphin? Okay, you color that dolphin blue, and I'll color this one blue. Kids are having a little lunch. We're watching DW's first day of school.
That's you, right? No, that's not me. My name is DW. I hate the name Dora. It's almost as bad as Winifred. It's okay. We can change it.
We're gonna go to Flying Squirrel now, so the kids can get some exercise. We can get out of the house for a little bit. See you guys there. Okay. Okay, let's go get Quinn. Look you. We ordered bread bar for dinner. Got a pizza. Super good. Now we're just chilling. Tim's playing some games. Boys are having some iPad time. And I'm about to clean up this mess. Reset.
I took your powers, Mom.
Okay.
Hey.
Boys are all bathed. Ooh, okay. We've been getting these bath bombs. They're ninja bath bombs. Coop's all bathed and ready for bed too. Wait, you gotta brush your teeth, little guy. Wait, you gotta brush your teeth, Cooper. I'm just sitting at my desk. I'm gonna do a little bit of late night editing. Tim's still playing some games. So it's
Still, I got our mugs. I haven't only been playing. Come on!
I made some tea, so I'm gonna drink my tea. And
Yep.
edit some photos. I'm gonna offload the my SD cards and stuff too from vlogging for the last week and a bit. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in for another week. Happy Sunday. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. Click that like button and turn your notifications on so you know when
Happy Friday.
it's Sunday. Say happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday Friday.
Happy Sunday Friday.
That's so happy Sunday Friday.
Bye guys.